dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The Independent National Electoral Commission, Inec, has raised security concern over the forthcoming 21st September governorship election in Edo State. Moving on after this, we have a retired police officer tackled Governor Obaseki over Nigeria we born threats. But guys, before we commence fully, welcome back to our wonderful channel, Reality Latest is your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss additional latest news happening on social media. To all our busy subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. The Independent National Electoral Commission has raised security concern over the forthcoming 21st September governorship election in Edo State. Mahmood Yakubu, the chairperson of the commission, said this in Abuja on Thursday when he appeared before the Joint Senate and House of Representatives Committee on Electoral Matter. His appearance was in preparation for the upcoming off-cycle governorship election in Edo State and Ondo State. So he said that his main concern and the main concern of Inec in Edo State governorship election is security. He said when they were in Edo State that one of the political parties raised an issue in Edo about the likely deployment of the Edo State security network. But immediately after they received the complaint, they don't waste time. They went straight to the office of the Commissioner of Police and summoned a meeting with all security agencies in Edo State. And the commission agreed to meet with all political parties. And the Commissioner of Police told Inec and the party leaders that they are going to take up the matter with the state government. The Inec chairman said that the issue at that time was the ongoing continuous voters registration, and since then he's not aware of any official complaint from any party or candidate on the role of the Edo State security network, but he believes that the Commissioner of Police must have spoken to the leadership of the Edo State security network. My people, the Edo State security network is a local vigilante group set up and funded by the Edo State government. So on the preparation for the governorship race, Mr. Yakubu Mahmood don't come and say they don't conduct continuous voter registration, and few of the registered voters required validation. He stated that Inec was not happy with the quality of the biometric for the registered voters in Edo State, but it is the right of every registered Nigerian to be able to vote seamlessly, and it's the responsibility of Inec to ensure that every citizen was given the opportunity to vote. So according to Yakubu, he said the outcome of the continuous voters registration in Edo State will be published next week, but the major problem faced by the commission is the difficulty in conducting off-cycle governorship election, and it was more difficult than to conduct general election. So these are the challenges they are having, because these off-cycle elections are very difficult, and it has been a challenging one to Inec. My people, all we are praying for on that day of election is for peace to reign. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contribution, your opinions are in our comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. A retired police officer in Edo State have drawn the attention of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to a statement credited to the governor of Edo State, Obaseki, that Nigeria will burn if the All Progressive Congress disturb the peace of the state again. In a reaction to that statement, the Retired Police Officer Association said that the governor's threat was capable of instigating violence ahead of the September 21st, 2024 governorship election in Edo State. So a member of the association and community leader in Benin City, Chief Vere Kasimota, in his statement said that the governor, Obaseki, has given his boys license to continue to unleash violence in the land, and as such, residents of Benin City and the entire Edo State will no longer sleep with their two eyes closed. Now, following the violence that erupted at the Benin airport last Thursday, leading to the death of a police inspector, Governor Obaseki, who addressed his supporters at the PDP stakeholders meeting, allegedly made the threat. However, there has been a video making round on the internet about what Governor Obaseki said in the 20-second long abridged video where he said that he won't say much, that the rest is up to them. That right now, they try to keep quiet about the last Thursday attack, that if they try what happened last Thursday again in Edo State, that Nigeria will win. That those who did it, APC have refused to arrest them, so that they want to come and arrest his boys. So now, Asemota, the retired police officer, said his association has written a letter of protest on the issue to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Wetogu, that the governor's public statement is not acceptable and that undermines the lives of police officers in the service of their fatherland. So he said that Governor Godwin Obaseki simply undermined the death of policemen with his full chest while putting his weight behind his boys. Someone said that many of them, they know them as political thugs. He said Governor Godwin Obaseki's body language and statement was too partisan for a governor to make in public. That after all, the president also belonged to a party. That what he decided to toe the same line of partisanship. That instead of Governor Godwin Obaseki to sympathize with the deceased police officer and his family, that he is boasting that the entire country will burn if his boys were arrested. That who are those boys he is trying to protect? Asemota is asking that they all know them, that they are political thugs that are quick to shoot and fight for politicians, that they know them more than him because they live among them. He said they know that Governor Godwin Obaseki has policemen protecting him in government house, and they will not be happy with that kind of public outburst. So what the governor has just done will inspire the thugs to continue in their lawlessness. That since last Thursday shooting in Benin City, everybody is afraid because they don't know what will happen in the next political gathering. Honestly, my people, it has been a battleground between APC and PDP. APC are not allowing PDP to breathe at all. All the parties are busy laying blame on each other. It's of them to start looking for how to make peace reign in Edo State. In this fourth governorship election, they are busy laying blame on each of the party. My people don't be spoiled better. So guys, at this point, I would like to know your thoughts, your contribution towards this issue in our comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your witness. Bye for now.